In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Outlook and Google Calendar step by step so your events stay updated across both platforms automatically. This is perfect if you use Google Calendar personally and Outlook for work, or if you just want everything in one place without manually adding events over and over again. We'll be using a built-in calendar subscription method that's simple, free, and safe. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the section called My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of all the calendars associated with your account. Find the specific calendar that you want to sync with Outlook. Once you've located it, move your mouse to the right of the calendar name and click on the vertical three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Sharing. This will open a new settings page for that specific calendar. Now scroll down the page until you see a section called Access Permissions for Events. Under this section, look for an option that says Get Shareable Link. When you click on this option, Google Calendar will generate a unique URL for that calendar. Go ahead and copy this link to your clipboard. This link is what allows Outlook to read and display your Google Calendar events. Next, switch over to Outlook. You can do this in Outlook on the web or in the desktop version, depending on what you're using. In Outlook, navigate to the Calendar view. On the left side, just below the calendar grid, look for an option that says Add Calendar. Click on it and then select Subscribe from Web. You'll now see a field where you can paste a URL. Paste the Google Calendar link that you copied earlier into this address bar. After pasting the link, click on Import. Outlook will now subscribe to your Google Calendar and begin syncing the events. After a few moments, your Google Calendar events should start appearing in Outlook automatically. Any updates made in Google Calendar will also reflect in Outlook going forward. And that's it. You've successfully synced your Outlook and Google Calendar using a simple subscription method. This setup is ideal for staying organized without juggling multiple calendars. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.